Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert BTC to USDT on Binance. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started and in the URL box type in www.binance.com and press enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are, from the main homepage, go to the trade button on the top left-hand side of the screen. Once you mouse over to that, you'll be able to see several options popping up. Click convert and select the token that you'd like to convert. In today, it's BTC to USDT, so let's select BTC first. Now type in the amount of BTC you want to convert and right where you can see the two text box, click on the drop down and click on USDT. Now, soon after you do that, click on preview conversion. You'll be able to see the price code for the transaction you are considering and you'll have 5 seconds to approve the code. Click on convert and you'll be able to convert BTC to USDT using Binance. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.